So implement queue using stack. So in that case we require two stacks. So we have two options to make in queue more expensive or dequeue more expensive. So in case of expensive in queue, we have to initialize first two stacks, S1 and S2, and check whether S1 is empty or not. If it is empty, then simply insert that element into S2. If it is not, then push all element from S1 to the S2, and then push that new element to the S1, and then uh, pop all element from S2 to S1. So that is our NQ. Second, if you want to dequeue, then in that case simply check the S1 is empty or not. If it is empty, return -1. If it is not, then return the top element of the stack, and yeah, then pop that. So that is the dequeue process. If we want to make a dequeue more expensive, so in that case first for NQ, simply initialize our two stacks S1 and S2, and push all element to the S1. Okay, for DQ, first check the S1 and S2 are empty or not. So if it is empty, so return -1. If it is not, then push all element from the uh, S1 to from S1 to S2, and then yeah, remove the top of the S2 element, yeah, and then push back to the S1. So that is our process for DQ. And similar fashion we can implement stack using queue. So in that case we require two queues, and same fashion we have to make if we want to make push more expensive. So in that case first yeah initialize q1 and q2 queue, and first in queue our element to the q2, and then dequeue all element to the q2 from the q1, and yeah, swap dot those q1 and q2. That is our push operation. If we want to pop, simply check whether our q1 is not null, so simply return dequeue from there. Yeah, that is our pop. And if we want to make our pop more expensive, in that case yeah, for push method, simply yeah, initialize q1 and q2, and all insert all element into q1, in q all element to the q1. And for pop operation, we have to dequeue everything from q1 to q2 except the last element, so that that element will be dequeue later on, save into the variable, because that is our top element for that stack. And after this process, just swap the q1 and q2. So this is the all operation using queue to create stack.